My name is Mark Seibert. I'm an astrophysicist that studies the evolution of galaxies and the stars, gas, and dust they are composed of. I specialize on the ultraviolet portion of the spectrum. This is a far ultraviolet image of the galaxy M82, also called NGC 3034. It is one of my favorite galaxies because it is the nearest example of what we call a dwarf starburst galaxy, and it is a beautiful mess. M82 is a dwarf galaxy because it only has about 5% of the mass of our own Milky Way galaxy. It is a starburst galaxy because it has been forming new stars at a prodigious rate for several hundred million years. Its star formation rate is currently at least 10 times higher than the Milky Way. Young stars, several times more massive than the Sun, emit most of their light at ultraviolet wavelengths. Images taken by the Galaxy Evolution Explorer, or GALEX ultraviolet space telescope, are designed to image the light of these massive young stars and clusters, but you can see that stars or clusters are rather difficult to distinguish in this image of M82. This has several reasons. First, M82 is a disk galaxy that is viewed almost edge-on, so most of the galaxy is not visible. Second, the very powerful starburst activity concentrated at the center of the galaxy has ejected streams of gas and dust as a biconical wind on both sides of the main disk. This galaxy wind is caused by enormous energy imparted by very massive stars exploding as supernova. Finally, I want to point out one region that is currently still not fully understood yet, and that is the region to the north or the top of this image that is called the cap. You see it here in the ultraviolet. It is also detected at other wavelengths. Perhaps it is the M82 wind impacting a pre-existing gas cloud, or maybe it is material stripped off M82 or M81 during one of their close encounters. It's still a mystery to be solved.